Imagine you are a security analyst at a major corporation. Your team just received an alert suspicious files are appearing on employee workstations. Your antivirus isn't catching them. What do? How do you test your defenses? This is where most security teams struggle. You can't wait for real attack to test your defenses. You need to proactively test, train, and prepare. And that's exactly what we are going to do today. Hey everyone, welcome back to this tutorial. Today we will be looking at our new security tool, the GAVOT v4.0, the Grae-X Labs Advanced Virus Obfuscation Toolkit. Today I'm going to show you how security professionals test their defenses, train their teams, and stay ahead of threats. Whether you're a penetration tester, a security researcher, or just starting with cybersecurity, this tool will revolutionize how you approach security testing. Let's dive in. This is GRAE-X AV Offensive Toolkit, or you can call it GAVOT, and this is the first version of the tool, which is version 4.0, the NEBULA edition. We built it at Grae-X Labs, one of the most respected names in cybersecurity research. Look at this beautiful futuristic interface. But don't let the looks fool you. This is a serious security tool with enterprise-grade capabilities. We have 6 main modules. We have the dashboard, your security operations center. We have the advanced scanner, the multi-engine threat detection. We have the obfuscator, the advanced file evasion techniques. Then we have Payload Factory, safe training payload generation, where you can actually generate something like a malware that you will use to train. The same like you will be working in real time, right? You have to be working with a malware. So this payload tab is for you to generate any of the malware. If you go to the tab, you're going to see different malwares like Trojan. You see different malwares, right? But I made only one available for test. The rest I could not activate it because it could be harmful. And then we have threat database, that's a signature intelligence, and we have report, professional security documentation. Obviously, any professional pen tester or cybersecurity specialist knows at the end of the day you need to present something like a documentation for your work. So I can actually perform hands-on practicals on camera, so I will walk you through the tool, and if you want to make use of this tool or maybe try it yourself, you can download the code from GitHub, because I will upload the tool on GitHub. You can download it and try it yourself. So I'm going to walk you through the 6 most used features in this tool for now, because we are going to be updating the tool regularly. Every security team needs to verify their antivirus is working. We use something called the EICAR test file, which is the only file you can be able to test in this from all the payloads I have listed here. But I've listed so many payloads like malware, Trojan, Malware, so many of them, just for you to understand the different kind of payloads that you could potentially test with this tool. The EICAR test file, it's a harmless file that all antivirus programs should detect as malicious. With GAVOT, generating test files is simple. You just need to click under the EICAR tab under payloads, and there it is. The file is created in your secure test directory. Notice the automatic login created, right? So you can upload the file and try to run. It's just like a test file to see if you bring an actual working file with this work. That is why I had to use this as a demo file that you can test. This file contains a specific string that antivirus programs recognize as the EICAR test pattern. It's completely harmless but serves as a perfect control test. If your AV doesn't detect this, you have serious issues. The beauty of using GAVOT is that everything is documented, everything is repeatable, and everything is safe for training environment. You just need to perform your test and you hit the generate button and everything is generated automatically. That is why we are building the tools and looking at the future. They are more of futuristic tools. Just for the sake of a better understanding, I'm going to upload one virus file generated from the payload, and you're going to see how it's going to display the result. We have more options coming up for different attack methods, but for now, this is just an analytic tool. You can analyze a virus, a malware that has been sent to your computer will automatically detect. That is why we need to start using the tool. If you're a cybersecurity specialist, you could download and run this tool in your local system, so that whenever an attacker is trying to ping you, this automatically detects and lets you know. But we're bringing up more features and more tabs to the tool. Like I said, you can download the tool from GitHub, and the link is in the description of this video. I'm going to click Launch Advanced Scan. Watch what happens. GAVOT uses multiple detection engines, signature-based heuristic analysis, entropy calculation, and even simple Yara-like rules. And after a very short while, there it is, malicious EICAR test file. Our scanner is working perfectly. But look at the extra information we get: thread level, entropy, score, file type, multiple hash values, and all of that. This isn't just a malware detected. This is professional grade analysis. An MD5, SHA1, SHA256, SHA512 hashes. These are very strong industry level hashes. Exactly what you need for threat intelligence sharing. File entropy of 3.20, that's actually quite low, which makes sense for an EICAR. Now let's get to the reality advanced stuff. Obfuscation. In the real world, attackers don't send clean malware. They obfuscate, encrypt, and mutate their payload. As defenders, we need to understand these techniques. GAVOT includes 8 advanced obfuscation techniques. We have the polymorphic mutation, constantly changing code, and we have the executable packer, which is the compression and encryption. We have the string obfuscation, that's hiding suspicious text, and many more. Let's take our clean test file and apply polymorphic mutation. This adds junk code, changes byte, modifies headers, all techniques real malware uses to evade detection. If you look at my screen now, you're going to see the result I got from the obfuscation scan, and you see we have the technique we used was polymorphic mutation. We stimulated a polymorphic mutation. The file was already marked as obfuscated, right? That means we have already transformed it. The original file, the size was 192 bytes, and we now hashed it into an MD5, which is a military grade of encryption, and the obfuscated file is 247, meaning what we have actually now after obfuscation is 243, but the original file has 198. And you can see the original MD5 hash here, and here we have another MD5 hash. The difference is just from some few numbers, right? And the result says signature changed. So with this tool, if any attacker tries to obfuscate anything, it detects and shows you on this dashboard. This is how easy it is for you to use this tool. This tool is only going to help you to, like, anything that was originally made and maybe an attacker tried to make changes. A tool will give you everything in a clear HTML format that you can read and understand. If you look at my screen now, you're going to see the result I got from the obfuscation scan, and you see we have the technique we used was polymorphic mutation. We stimulated a polymorphic mutation. The file was already marked as obfuscated, right? That means we have already transformed it. The original file, the size was 192 bytes, and we now hash it into an MD5, which is a military grade of encryption, and the obfuscated file is 247, meaning what we have actually now after obfuscation is 243, but the original file has 198. And you can see the original MD5 hash here, and here we have another MD5 hash. The difference is just from some few numbers, right? And the result says signature changed. So with this tool, if any attacker tries to obfuscate anything, it detects and shows you on this dashboard. This is how easy it is for you to use this tool. This tool is only going to help you to, like, anything that was originally made and maybe an attacker tried to make changes. A tool will give you everything in a clear HTML format that you can read and understand. So what have we learned today? GAVOT v4.0 from Grae-X Labs isn't just another security tool. It's a complete cybersecurity training platform that teaches through doing, documents everything, gamifies learning, prepares for real work, and stays ethical and legal. For security professionals, this is your new training and testing platform. For educators, this is how you should be teaching cybersecurity. For students, this is your path to practical skills. Only use GAVOT on system you own or have explicit permission to test. Always follow responsible disclosure practices. Cybersecurity skills come with responsibilities. If you want to download the GAVOT v4.0, check the description below and all the code is available, and it's completely free for educational use. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell. We have more advanced cybersecurity content coming every week. If you have any question about GAVOT or cybersecurity training, drop them in the comments below. Our team at Grae-X Labs monitors all comments and we would love to help you on our cybersecurity journey. Remember, in cybersecurity, the best defense is a well-trained defender. Keep learning, keep testing, stay secure. I'm your humble teacher, Hakim Gray, and I will see you in the next tutorial.